Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study science in 1 hour easy method. Begin by splitting the hour into 3 20-minute sessions with specific goals. Focus the first block on core concepts, the second on problem practice, and the third on quick review and self-testing. Keep distractions off, use a timer, and speak answers aloud to strengthen memory. Repeat this routine to build reliable, fast science study habits. Start each session with a short question set to guide study, then answer from memory to force retrieval. Use concise flashcards or one-paragraph summaries to capture key ideas and formulas. After a practice problem, explain the solution out loud as if teaching someone else, which reveals gaps quickly. Keep your language simple and focus on connections between ideas rather than memorizing isolated facts for deeper understanding. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for long study sprints because it keeps water close and spill-free, which honestly saves time and stress. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a few representative problems that target the concepts you reviewed and set a strict time limit per question to simulate test pressure. Work through solutions actively, writing key steps and reasoning, then immediately check answers. When you find errors, jot a one-line correction and why it matters. This targeted practice boosts accuracy and confidence far more than many unfocused problems in the same hour.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.